Hiya, I'm going to do an Instasmile review. I got my teeth today. This is the box it comes in, and it came with this little mirrory thing. So, I got them because my teeth are straight, they're just really discoloured. I get married this year and I wanted to feel confident when I smiled. So, I know that these are going to do that for me. I'm going to clip them in and let you see them. What a difference. I can barely feel them. Obviously my talking is a little bit funny because it's something in your mouth, but after a while I'll get used to that and they'll be fine. So here they are. They're really, really nice and I'm so happy with them.